proceed with the Windows 10 installation. It's very simple and straightforward. We are almost done. All we have to do now is plug in the USB where we copy the Windows 10 64-bit, the Windows Support software and the Win2 USB free app. On the last step, you'll have to find Windows Support software and run Boot Camp to install all the drivers you need to make your Mac a fully functional Windows machine. Go to Boot Camp and click on Setup. Click Next and Yes, and let it install all the drivers and Boot Camp Startup utility. Soon after Boot Camp setup is completed on Windows 10, you will have to reboot again your Mac. Hold the Alt key, just to make sure you boot directly to the Boot Camp partition. Your Mac now will have all the drivers you need on Windows. Everything should work flawlessly. I understand that having sacrificed 48 gigabytes of your interior hard disk or SSD is quite a large chunk of space. I do have a tutorial on how to make an external Boot Camp drive on macOS Sierra. It's very easy though to install Windows programs on an external drive. All you need is a Windows NT formatted external drive, and make sure you select that external drive destination disk when you install Windows apps. The speed might be slower if the external drive is not an SSD attached to the Mac via a USB 3. I will soon make a tutorial on how to make an external Boot Camp drive on a macOS High Sierra, so please check my channel for it. You may also subscribe, so you can get notifications of my future videos. If you would like to see more videos related to Macintosh computers or Apple products in general, please go to my channel, Addicted to Macintosh, and look at the playlists. There are many videos on many different Apple products, including macOS High Sierra. You can also check my Boot Camp playlist. There are many videos on how to install Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 on a Macintosh. Check it out. Addicted to Macintosh YouTube channel. Hundreds of Apple-related videos uploaded. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking, and viewing.